Dear friends, Namaskar. I am Commander Sudhir Kumar and today I am going to discuss a very important issue which is at present happening at our border. All of you might be seeing that what is happening in Ladakh. The China once again has done incursion into Indian territory and heavy build-up of near about 5 to 10,000 soldiers is there. They have digged and put up permanent tents. And here, one thing is very important that Indian Defence Forces are going to defend the borders, and we are confident that once again the China will retreat the way we had given him reply during Doklam. But here today what I would like to request all Indians that please give up use of made in China products. Why you should give up that made in China products? The first of all, the Chinese product in quality is not good. But only thing is that they are cheaper. And that's why the India and the maximum people of India are consuming today Chinese product, because their finishing is good, though the quality is not good, but it is made cheaper. And China has an strategy about it, and there are few businessmen in India, those are bringing the Chinese cheap products and they flooded Indian market. And you know how much amount we are paying every year? It is mind boggling. It's near about 5 to 5.5 lakh crore worth products Indian are buying, those are made in China. If you give up, what will happen? That certainly the Chinese economy will have an impact of it. And when Chinese is going to have an impact of it, I am sure the amount earned out of India, they will not use against us, putting their military power and the kind of an incursion they do frequently, they will not do that. Because the devoid of near about 6 lakh crore rupees, which is not going to be there with China. How we can do that? We stop right from today using made in China. The first of all, I would like to request every youth, students of India, that please don't use any Chinese made app and software. Immediately you can take out all the Chinese made apps from your mobile. Slowly you can come out that you stop using Chinese hardware also, but it will take some time. So this is one of my call, that we must give up made in China products. But side by side, I would like to request the big businesses in India and some government of India departments that we must come to find solutions as well. Today, that everywhere for the video conferencing, what softwares are being used, they are made in China. Why we can't make in India? And it should be very fast. Secondly, why only the mobile manufacturing? Why not the high-tech electronics equipment? Why not all the defense equipments are going to be manufactured in India? And secondly, the MSME can make small parts, those are going to be used in high-tech electronic equipments or in defense weapons. If we do this, and if the big businesses, MSME, come together and meet this demand of India fast, I am sure no one can stop India becoming a manufacturing hub. This is an opportunity for India. One side we have to give up made in China, but on the other side we have to manufacture the quality products. We have to design the software, Indian made software, and we have to come up which is an alternate of every video conferencing solution, every IT solution which China is offering, and we have to compete with better products. If we do this, I am sure that India will move towards self-reliance. This is challenge in front of youth. This is challenge in front of all the business houses of India, and this is the challenge in front of Government of India through MSME. UP government has taken a lead into it. Honorable Yogi Ji, the Chief Minister of UP, has announced a scheme where he has done the mapping of entire migrant workers, those have returned to UP, and doing the skill mapping, he knows that the person could be used in which industry, and these person after mapping could be used into MSME, and I am sure that MSME can take that lead, making ancillary products, making a small parts, those are going to be used in high-tech electronic systems. Those are being fitted into our defense, big defense systems, or in defense weapons. With this, once again, I summarize it. I appeal to youth, the demographic dividend of India, that please you can make a difference, that right from today, if you hear my lecture, you must stop immediately using Chinese made app. Remove these applications from your mobile now itself. What difference you are going to make? You are going to make a difference that you are going to save 5 to 6 lakh crore rupees of Indians, which is going in the pocket of Chinese businessmen, and the Chinese businessmen and the Chinese government, they are utilizing innocent Chinese fighting against India. I am not against Chinese. That's what I would like to bring it to your kind notice. I am against that the power over there, which is the nexus of top leadership and some businesses, and doing this tactics which they are using at our border in Ladakh, doing this incursion quite often. Earlier it was in Doklam, now it is there nearby Ladakh. In South China Sea, they are giving threat to Vietnam, they are taking over Hong Kong. All these are the tactics of China that they want to divert the attention of their people. Unemployment is increasing in China, so they want to distract them and the world. What happens that you have to realize that Chinese people are bonded slaves. They do what the Chinese government wants out of them. The Chinese government and these powerful businessmen, the richest businessmen of China, they are using innocent Chinese in their designs. So what we have to do, we have to help the Chinese people that they have dissent. The Chinese people must revolt against the Chinese government, but it will take time. But what we can make, which even the weapons cannot make, that we have to make sustained effort so that the economy of China is hit. And how we can do it? That we make our attempt that we don't use made in China products. Thank you very much.